In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slides in Miro board. If you're new to Miro, slides are a simple way to turn your ideas on a board into a clear, guided presentation. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to make the process smoother. Start by opening your browser and heading to Miro.com. If you're prompted, sign in so you land on your dashboard. From here, look for the Create New button. This is your starting point for anything new in Miro. Go ahead and click it. Next, choose Board. This opens a fresh canvas where you can build out your content. If you already have a board in mind, you can use that as well, but for clarity, I'll continue on a new one so you can see the process end to end. Once your board is open, direct your attention to the toolbar. Find the plus icon. It's the quick way to add tools and features to your board. Click the plus to bring up the app and tool picker. You'll see a search bar at the top of this panel. Click into it and type Slides. This narrows the list to the Slides feature so you don't have to hunt through menus. When Slides appears in the results, click it to open the Slides interface on your board. Now you're ready to choose how you want to build your slides. You have three options. Start with a blank slide, add a template, or create with AI. Blank slide gives you total control from scratch. Ideal if you already know the structure you want. Templates are great when you want a head start. They come with polished layouts for common scenarios like team updates, roadmaps, or retrospectives. Create with AI can help you generate a slide structure based on a prompt or existing content on your board, which is handy for turning rough notes into something presentable quickly. A few tips as you choose. If you're short on time, start with a template and personalize it with your content and brand colors. If your ideas are messy or scattered on the board, try the AI option to draft an initial flow, then refine it. And if you're building a unique story-driven presentation, blank slides give you the flexibility to design it exactly the way you want. That's it. You've opened Miro, created a board, accessed the slides feature, and selected the approach that fits your workflow. From here, you can add content, adjust layouts, and present directly from Miro. Keep experimenting with layouts and styles, and you'll have clean, focused slides in no time.